Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at 2016 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.